So you're going to come to this Google collab and you're going to see Easy GUI 62423. I'll put the link in the description. Make sure you copy this to your Google Drive. And once you do, click on Connect. Mine says Read Connect because originally here, testing this out, so you have all my audio stuff, video stuff. Click on it. Waiting for the allocation to run for you to connect. So once connected, you go over here and you click on Run Cell. And all these processes are going to run for you. Just wait for them to finish running. It's basically warming up. It'll give you a URL so you can click on and you can enter the program. So once you have a success, you'll find this public URL and you click on that. It'll open in another tab. And this is going to be the interface you're going to be using. You're going to choose your model, which you don't have any right now. Go down to download model. You're going to paste your Google URL, either found on the Discord AI or any model that you downloaded or trained and have uploaded to your Google Drive. So I'm going to blur that out. I'm going to give it a name. And I'm going to click download. So hopefully it'll process and be successful. And once it is, you'll see success. Go back to your interference. See it's not here still. Click on refresh. And your model should show up. And there's our model. So from here, you drag and drop either an audio file from your file folder or your wherever you have your files. This is going to get blurred out. And once you drag and drop your file or open it, it'll say uploading. Just wait for it to upload. Download will just download the file you just uploaded. And then here in number 2, you'll see your audio file. Once you're done, you can either change the pitch if you want to. If it's a female to female, I just leave it at 0 and click convert. And just wait a few minutes and it's processing the audio for you. So once you have your output audio, just click on play and you'll hear your playback.
I do wish I know well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss.
So as you can see, it worked. If you want it to be a higher pitch, you just change the pitch here. Increments of 1. You can either type it in or just use these up arrows and down arrows. I would not go any further than 12, depending on the pitch and what type of sound you want. Once you're finished, click on the 3 dots, click on download, and whatever your default download is, you'll get your downloaded file. And then from there, you could do your post-processing, your EQs, your compressions, your de-acid, whatever you want to do. Slap it together, do your cover songs, do your videos, do whatever you need to do with your audio, and that's pretty much it. So once we're done here, we'll just close out this tab. We'll click on this spinny thing. Maybe more than once it's up spinning, click over on RAM, drop down menu, click on disconnect, and then just click yes. and you're done. Like, subscribe, follow. I have literally maybe 2 followers, so help me out if you can, and hope this helps you some way. Thanks. Later.